Hi guys, it's Riz here from DS All-in-One Solution. This is a chemical company. We are working here. We're fixing the gate. So the first gate we already done. So this is the main gate. It's about 10-meter gate. It's from there to there. So this gate was sitting on the motor. So this rake was not. I don't know who installed it. So was not right. All the force was on the top of the motor. So now we remove the rake, and also we cutting the concrete, so they have to be wheel have to running on the rail, not on the concrete by the floor. Before was wheel was touching to the floor, the concrete, is not sitting it nicely inside the rail. So we are cutting it, so the wheel is gonna be fitted nicely inside. This is the gate. It's about 10 meters. It's a D10 motor, and replacing the wheel as well is a heavy duty wheel. And now we reinstall the rake, and we have to leave the space 3 millimeter, between the pinion and the rake. That is very important whenever you're installing the rake or motor.